in NECO. Here is a list of things you should focus on. You don't need to read everything in your textbook to pass Yoruba in NECO exam. There are a few topics that NECO brought out in the syllabus. So I want you to pay attention to it as I list them out for you. So just pay attention. But before we start taking them one by one, you need to understand that. Just follow me. Okay? There are two papers. There are two papers for you. If you are writing Yoruba, we have paper 1 and paper 2. Basically, they will test you on different aspects of the language, Yoruba language. Paper 1 will be has 60 multiple, will be OBJ, what we know as OMR or OBJ. So basically everything about Yoruba language, literature, culture, and everything. Section 2 will be comprehension. They will give you 2 comprehension passages to read and answer. Then there will be grammar and all the rest. Then section B will be literature, covering those books that they gave you to read, those Yoruba novels, which I will still list for you. Okay, we have section C, cultures and all the rest. Then paper 2 is an essay-based type that are designed to test you on Yoruba language, literature, and culture. Okay, basically. So let's now jump and look at them one after the other. Number 1 topic to focus on is composition. They will want you to, candidate advice to write a composition. They want you to write a composition in Yoruba language of 300 words. They will give you options. It could be narrative, it could be descriptive, it could be argumentative, it could be expositive, it could be dialogue, debate, or letter writing. It came out this way in WAEC, so pay attention to that. Then sound system, Yoruba sounds. So they ask you things about vowels, consonant, and syllabic nasals in Yoruba. How these things are pronounced in Yoruba. By the way, if you want me to send you this material, or if you want to get syllabus for other subjects, whether in WAEC, NECO, or JAM, or if you want to enter our group on WhatsApp where we help students, just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Watch this video from beginning to the end, then subscribe to this YouTube channel. When you subscribe, let me know so that I or my staff can begin to guide you. They'll ask you questions on grammar, Yoruba grammar, word structure, basic and derived words, noun, verbs, adverb, pronoun, adjective, etc. on Yoruba. Okay. Phrases and clauses and all the rest. Then literature, they ask you oral literature, prose, poetry, and drama. Of course, there are already books that are given to cover those areas, you know. Then there will be literature. In literature, there will be 3 set books covering different genres. So I will give you those books. Then they'll ask you questions on Yoruba customs, like Yoruba makeup and adornment. If you have not subscribed, this is the right time. Just boop the like button, like this video, then go ahead and subscribe now. Makeup and adornment, indoor and outdoor games, pregnancy and health care, naming, home training, greeting, respect for superiors, cleanliness, tolerance, integrity, hard work, etc. That is basic thing that Yoruba is known for. They ask you things on Yoruba foods, non-verbal communication, funerals, traditional and modern methods, inheritance, tradition, and modern methods. They ask you things about Yoruba institutions like traditional occupations, marriage, politics, child care, ancestors. Yoruba beliefs about Oludume, God, deities, divinities, other invisible forces, modern religions like Islam, Christianity, economy. Those are the basic things you should expect in your Yoruba language. Now, as for the books, they expect you to read Oroko. You just look at this screen very well and capture them. I may not be able to pronounce all of them. What you do is, if you want me to send you this very well, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll add you to our WhatsApp group where I can give you this material for you to pay closer attention to it. For the written literature, just look at this very well. I can still send it across to you. Okay? For the oral literature, all these materials I am showing you, just if you are not getting them, you can watch this video slowly so that you can capture them very well. Now, that is basically what you need to pass your NECO exam for this year. I wish you all the best. Copy this, share this video to all your Yoruba friends writing NECO. Just click on share right now, copy the link, and send it to all the WhatsApp group you belong to. Thank you so much.